Let me show you how to make these delicious fried chicken bites with the sous vide. You're going to start off with a 2-pound pack or so of boneless chicken thighs. Once you get these out of the pack, just cut them into bite-sized pieces, or you can do strips, whatever your preference. I prefer the small bite-sized pieces. Now get these seasoned up with a little salt, pepper, garlic mix. I move these around just so that I can get the seasoning on all sides of these chicken bites. And this is a simple way to do it. You could spice this up with any sort of hot seasonings or garlic or anything else you want to do to kind of change the flavor of your chicken bites. But this is just a basic recipe. Once these guys are all seasoned up, get them into a Ziploc bag or something else to sous vide with, and then get all the air out that you can before you put these into a hot water bath. The chicken bites go into the sous vide. I'm just letting a little bit more air out of the bag before I seal it up here. And you're going to cook these at 165 degrees for 1 hour. After an hour, these guys are done. I just pull them out of the bath and kind of break them up because they will clump together a little bit just from all the fat in there in the cook process. And then these are going to go into the refrigerator to cool. This is great because you can prep ahead of time and then just flash fry them when you're ready to eat. In another bag, prep your seasoned flour mix. This is 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/8 of a cup of salt, pepper, garlic mix, and 1/8 of a cup of paprika. The chicken is already seasoned a little bit and flavorful, but this is another opportunity for you to try different spices and flavors for however you want to customize the flavor of your chicken bites. Once all these flavors are good and mixed up in this bag, we're ready to fry these bites. After you've heated up your airless fryer to 350 degrees, you're going to go into batches. Take some of these chicken bites, take them out of the bag they were cooked in, get them into the flour. Don't overcrowd. A batch at a time, drop them into your grease. These things cook fast because of their size. You're just flash frying them. All you're going to need is about 4 to 6 minutes till they come out golden brown. While these are cooking, it really helps out if you hit that like button. And go ahead and subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. The great thing about these is the chicken's already cooked through and through, so you're just flash frying it to get that crisp on the outside and add a little bit more flavor. Have some fun with this with some variations. You can do a buttermilk double dredge to give them a little extra crisp, or even if you want to use panko breadcrumbs to add a little bit more texture to the outside. These things are fantastic, really easy to make and delicious. I like doing these in large batches so that I have extras because the kids like these for lunches. They're also great for just snacking on. Enjoy.